Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll set up access for an AI coding agent, connect Claude Code to the Mampu AI MCP server, review the first read-only task, and understand its permissions, usage tracking, and limitations. Step 1. Create an agent access key. Give the key a clear name. Access keys are permission-based, so grant only the permissions required for the intended task. For this connection test, we'll use only read conversations. This follows the principle of minimum access and prevents the agent from modifying conversations. An expiry date can also be configured so temporary integration keys do not remain active indefinitely. After creating the key, copy the secret securely. The complete access key should never appear in a recording, screenshot, subtitle, or documentation. Once created, the key appears in the API keys list together with its assigned scope, creator, usage status, and call count. Step 2. Get the account ID. Next, locate the account ID in Account Settings. The account ID tells the integration which Mampu AI workspace the coding agent should access. Claude Code connects to Mampu AI through the MCP endpoint. The agent access key provides authorization, while the account ID tells Mampu AI which workspace the request belongs to. Step 3. Verify MCP connection. After the MCP configuration is saved, verify the connection from Claude Code. The sampled MCP server now shows connected, confirming that Claude Code can reach the Mampu AI MCP endpoint. Once Claude Code is authenticated, the recommended first task is a read-only connectivity check. List my open conversations. Claude Code requests the available conversation data through Mampu AI and returns the result without modifying any conversation. In this demo tutorial, live Claude authentication was not performed, so this step is shown as an illustrative workflow. After the connection is verified, the AI coding agent can support several operational tasks depending on the permissions granted to its access key. Example tasks include conversation triage, preparing a weekly report, finding or tagging contacts, drafting customer replies, and preparing knowledge drafts. Each capability is controlled by the scopes assigned to the agent access key. For example, read conversations allows conversation data to be retrieved. Contact management, knowledge management, reports, automation, and blast drafting require their corresponding permissions. Grant only the access that is required for the intended task. Agent activity is tracked from the API and Agents page. Administrators can review the key's permission scope, when it was last used, and the number of calls made through it. Because no authenticated Claude task was executed in this demo session, this key currently shows no completed calls. After an authenticated agent action is executed, Mampu AI updates the activity associated with that access key. Last used shows when the key was most recently used, while calls records the number of requests made through the key. The AI coding agent also has defined limitations. It cannot view or modify the flow diagram, create a new flow, or connect a communication channel. For blasting, the agent can prepare a draft, but a human must review the content and press send. Sending a customer reply is an immediate action and does not have an undo function. For initial setup and testing, begin with read-only tasks and expand permissions only when required. AI coding agent actions are subject to the allowance available for the account. Because the available allowance may change, avoid relying on a fixed number in training materials. If the quota is exceeded, wait for the applicable allowance reset or review the available upgrade option. With the scoped access key, account ID, and MCP connection configured, the Mampu AI side of the AI coding agent setup is ready. You now understand how to create a scoped agent access key, identify the account ID, connect Claude Code to the Mampu AI MCP server, and verify the connection. You also learned how permissions control agent capabilities, how activity is tracked, and which actions remain restricted or require human confirmation. Subscribe for the next part.